If you're tired of manually downloading WooCommerce documents one by one, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to bulk export WooCommerce PDF invoices, packing slips, credit notes, shipping labels, pick lists, and delivery notes using WowInvoice. WowInvoice is a PDF invoices and packing slips plugin that helps you create and manage these essential WooCommerce documents from one place. To install it, go to your WordPress dashboard, click Add Plugin, and search for WowInvoice. After installing and activating it, you'll find it under the WooCommerce menu. Now, let's dive right into the bulk export page. This tool is designed to save you hours of work by downloading multiple documents at once using these filters. First, select the document type from the dropdown. Keep in mind that only the documents you've configured and published will appear here. So, to select packing slips, delivery notes, or pick lists, first it needs to configure them from here. Next, set date range. The end date is set to today's date by default, but you can easily enter the dates manually or use this handy pop-up calendar to select. Now, let's narrow it down. By default, all customers are selected, but you can choose specific customers if needed. Use the search bar to quickly find customers by their name or email address. Next, choose the order status. By default, all order statuses are selected, but you can select a single status or choose multiple statuses, such as pending payment and processing. After that, select the payment method. These sync automatically from your existing WooCommerce setup, so you can select all payment methods or pick a specific one from the dropdown. Alright, now before we export, there are two more options. You can check the Skip Free Orders box, and it will automatically exclude any orders that were fulfilled for free, so you don't waste time printing or storing physical documents for $0 transactions. And if you want to print more than one document on a page, enable multiple documents on one page and enter how many documents you want per row. It then arranges the documents on one page to save paper, which looks like this. Once everything is ready, click Export. WowInvoice will immediately bring you to a live summary page. Here, you can review your filtering options and see exactly how many orders matched your setup with a live progress bar. Once the processing and generation are complete, a Download Zip button will appear. Simply hit that button, download the file, and from your File Explorer, unzip it. Inside, you'll find all your documents perfectly organized and named by their individual invoice numbers. Now, if you want to export another batch, just click the New Export button to clear the current results and start a fresh export. For example, you can use it to export a different document type, such as shipping labels. And speaking of shipping labels, we have a highly requested update to share. You can now choose Custom as an option in the layout settings and manually define your exact width and height in inches. Flexible, right? If you need to export a few PDF invoices on demand, there's no need to use the bulk export menu. You can head straight to your standard WooCommerce orders list, check the boxes next to the orders, select Download Invoices or Print Invoices from the Bulk Actions dropdown, and hit Apply. So, to speed up your workflow and try WowInvoice right now, check out the link in the description below. The Pro version includes a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.